So where are you living in your first year?
I was living in Purbeck House.
So what are the ups and downs of Purbeck House? We'll start with the downs.
The downs, probably just like the size of the rooms and kind of how old things are. I think the building's about 10 years old, um, and it feels slightly dated compared to other accommodation buildings like Bailey Point in the area.
Mm.
Um, but I
And
think that's about it.
the ups?
The ups, I really like the internet. It was really quick. It's really reliable. It's really high tech. The whole building. It's really secure. Um, and there's uh, really nice views as well. I was 10th floor, so I had a nice view of the sea.
Mm.
But I think that's about, yeah, without going into too much detail, that's probably one of the
And
best,
we can go
best
into
aspects.
detail if you'd like. It's really up to you.
Actually, I'm trying to think about anything else. Well, the staff as well, they're really nice and friendly as well. They're really helpful, freshers week, first moving in and kind of giving you advice. And
Okay.
Purbeck House is close to all the shops as well.
So where are you planning to live next year?
I'm living in Charminster next year in a student house.
So you're moving to a house.
Yeah.
Why have you gone from a student accommodation to a house?
I think it's very much the freedom aspect. I mean, you feel safe living in a building where you've got, security and you've got the key cards to get in and out. I think that's fine for first year, but now I'm in second year. I can bring my own car up to the house. It just feels a bit more, mature, kind of
Hey.
living an adult lifestyle.